In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create movies with Leonardo AI. Whether you're new to AI-driven video production or a seasoned pro looking to explore new tools, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process effortlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to sign in at leonardo.ai. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It's pretty straightforward, and having your own account will allow you to access all the features Leonardo AI has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left or a main menu on your dashboard. From there, you'll want to select the video option. This is where the magic happens and where you'll start setting up your video creation process. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your desired workflow. There are typically two main options here: text-based or image-based workflows. If you're working with a script or written content, the text-based option is the way to go. On the other hand, if you have visuals you want to incorporate or transform, the image-based workflow will suit your needs better. Choose the workflow that aligns with your project goals. After selecting your workflow, it's time to dive into video models and settings. Leonardo AI provides a range of video models, each designed to offer different styles and effects depending on your creative needs. Explore the options available and select the model that best matches your vision. Once you've chosen your model, don't forget to review and adjust the settings. These settings can include aspects such as resolution, aspect ratio, and frame rate, which all play crucial roles in the final output. With your model and settings in place, your next step is crafting a compelling prompt. A well-written prompt is crucial as it guides the AI in generating your video's visuals and storyline. Think of it as the blueprint for your video. Be sure to include any specific details or themes that are essential to the project. A clear and detailed prompt can significantly enhance the outcome, so take your time to refine it. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, it's time to bring your video to life with a click of a button. Hit the Generate button to start the video creation process. The platform will process your input, and within moments, you'll have your video ready to preview. Finally, after the video is generated, simply click on it to view. If you're happy with the result and ready to download, choose the download option. This will save the video to your device, allowing you to share or edit it further as needed. And there you have it, a quick and efficient guide to creating stunning movies with Leonardo AI in just a few simple steps. Keep exploring and experimenting with different models and prompts to truly harness the power of AI in your video projects. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.